Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing amazing. Hope you went to church. I hope you went to church today. Umeomba, umeimba, you've had a good day, and you're blessed. Okay? Why are you clapping? So my name is Nzesa Ochieng. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, asante sana. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for subscribing and watching our videos. We don't take that for granted, okay? So we're back again with another video. Today is on Sunday. We're just back from church. And on our way back, we got this pineapple. Very sweet pineapple, by the way. Very sweet pineapple. But now I want to grill it. I don't know if you've ever tasted that grilled pineapple with cinnamon. That's what we want to make, okay? So you come along with us as we make it. The oven is already preheating, but we are going to grill. We're using the grill. We're not using the up and down. Atutumii nini ya juu na chini kubekia moto ya juu na chini, tunatumia juu peke yake. We're just grilling. We're going to grill the pineapple. So we cut small change. Hi Kababa. So we're going to cut the pineapple small size, small pieces, because we can't cut the strips like they do in those hotels when you're on a grilling. Hatuwezi kata hivyo. My knife is not that sharp, so siwezi kata uto to strip to konda. But we're going to make very small pieces, and then we put cinnamon on it, and then we're going to put it on the grill for a few minutes, and that's it. Inakonga very, nishaanza hadi kusalivate. It is very sweet kwanza when it's warm. Very sweet. Anyway, I'm talking too much. Let's get on to it and make them grilled pineapple with cinnamon. So here is the pineapple. I don't know how to peel it, so I had the person that sold it to us peel it for us. I don't have a chopping board, so I'm going to use this plate, and then I will put them here. Kwa hii tray. Is this how I'm supposed to do it really? Hii ni kubwa. But let's cut to hivi. I can't cut smaller than this one. If I cut smaller than this ones, sitaweza. This knife can't. Sisa last time zilikuwa tamu. Ulikulanga kweli? Mimi, I'm a lover of pineapple. I will not lie. I can eat pineapple the entire day, I think. When it comes to fruits, I love pineapples a lot. Now when it has cinnamon, it's on another level. I'm ready. We went to Fogogaucho. That's the first place I tasted this pineapple. We went to Fogogaucho na wanakupeanga after you're done eating the meat, they give you this. They give you this grilled pineapple with cinnamon. That was the first time I tasted. I've never been in love with anything like I was in love with that pineapple, man. Now, since then, I just want to keep trying it, imagine. I want to do it myself and try. Oven is preheating, so by the time we are done, itakuwa ready. There. Zingine nitakata tu kubwa because my knife. Basi hata nimejaribu. Mbona last time ilitokanga kidogo? Keje hata. Tuone hii itatoka kiasi gani. But pia tray yangu pia si ati ndio vile ni kubwa. Hii kuna kwenye itafikia. Itakuwa vizuri. Squeezy, I'm trying so much to avoid putting songs kwa videos because I've really been getting those copyright. Nyimbo nyingi squeezy ziko na copyright, so naogopa. That's why naongea sana, so that I don't have to find music. I know there is music kwa YouTube Studio that you can just download and use, but now the editing app like CapCut, if you if you import music that you've downloaded from YouTube Studio, uki move to CapCut, you have to use CapCut Pro. You have to use CapCut Pro ndio ikuwe free. But uki import music from YouTube Studio, the library, bado itakuwa tu na nini. Kama una Pro hauwezi. Kama utumii CapCut Pro hauwezi. I don't know about InShot. Sijatumia InShot for long. Nimetumia tu InShot mara sijui 2 kwa simu. I don't know how it works. I think this one tuache sasa, sio? This is that hard thing ya katikati, tutaikula tu. Ile ngumu ya katikati. Ni tamu ajabu. So last time I did not do this. Ilimwagika nyingi sana. Let me try doing this today. Hapana. No. I'll just use my hand. Mama nitumie hii side. Let me see. Got. For that to it. And you don't have to put on both sides. Sindio? One side is just okay. Because at a hotel, when they grill, they just put the cinnamon on one side. They said they are grilling is where they put the cinnamon, and then the other side you'll just have it like that. Inakuanga tamu. But mi cinnamon yangu inaenda nyingi because sasa it is spreading all over. This one I'll just put it back kwa chupa. What do you think? So. Ya last time niliweka cinnamon kidogo. Hii nimeweka nyingi. Let's wait and see how it turns out. Haya. Now we put it kwa moto. Nimeweka moto nyingi. This tushinde hapo a few minutes and then it's ready. This is ready now. These are ready, so we're going to transfer them to a plate. Where are you going? We just grill it for a few minutes, not for long. Okay. Tuchukue plate nyingine.
Yeah. Yeah. Nakaita tosha.
Take another plate.
Ndio kila mtu alikuwa anajikonscious. Unajua kuna tujitengenezea hizo kwa ngumu.
Hiyo mix ya leo hapana.
Na hadi unaona imetika hata msema hiyo leo hapana.
Ya leo mbogi ilianguka.
Sasa ni makana tu dance.
Simla uko mna dance kila Sunday. Kuna haka juice. I'm not wasting anything. That was pineapple juice.
The final touch.
Final touch. Final product.
Gani inakaa vizuri nipige picha.
Yeah, nilisahau. Hata tungefaa kwa tulipiga picha ya before. Unaweza piga tu zote. Inua juu ile. Kama inakuwa na shadow. We're taking a photo for the thumbnail. Photo for the thumbnail. There you go. There you go. Sunny taste. And then you're doing the taste sink yako.
Okay.
We do the taste. Taste. Sijui kwa nini salivate. Oh my god. It is soft, so you can just cut it like this, imagine. Test buds. It's enough line. Anyway, you guys should try. You guys should try this recipe. It doesn't take much of your time. I've seen people even doing it kwa pan, by the way. If you don't have an oven, I've seen people grill kwa pan. Naeka cinnamon and then you put it. I will check a video and try the one kwa pan. I will check how they do it and then I will try it kwa pan and come do it with you guys. Sawa? So for now, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for keeping us company. Kindly subscribe to this channel and try this recipe. Try this recipe. Try this trick. Sawa? This is the best trick for you to eat your pineapples. And you know pineapple and cinnamon is very nice. Is very good for your health, by the way. So try it and then come back to this channel. Come back and tell us how it turned out. Sawa? Okay? Yep. And also share with us another recipe you think you wanted to try but you are afraid of trying. Me, I will try it for you. I will risk it. Risk the money, the ingredients, everything. I will risk it and try it for you. And then now give you the exact way of how to do it. Subscribe to this channel, like, share, and subscribe. And for now, it's a bye-bye. Love you guys. Mwah.